Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set dotted underline in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first, open a Word document file. In this video, learn how to set dotted underline. Whether you customizing document professional, now select from the any text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the underline icon option. Then click for the dotted underline option. That's it. Then again another text option is the apply. Now going to the select from the text. Now going to the underline icon option. Then click for the dotted underline option. Then select from the another text is the same process. That's it. Then I show the set dotted underline in Microsoft Word easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.